Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth episode of my Shipwreck on Sabre Island mock. I remember you that this mock is a combo alternate of sets number 21322 and 10320. As I mentioned in the previous episodes, I usually build a new model in both digital and physical version. In this way, I can fastly try different solutions and in the meanwhile I can check if everything fits well or not. For example, in the previous episode, I made a smaller version of the Barracuda ship, and now I have to modify it to simulate a crash on the rock. I used the ball joint to connect the ship with the rock section. The advantage of using the ball joint is that you can have some degrees of freedom and you can position your ship as you prefer. Regarding the tower, I increased the size of it of about 3 studs in height and added also some more details. In respect to the studio project, I decided also to place it not straight, but with this angle of about 45 degrees. This should be more or less the final result, but of course I will add more details because I still have some parts to use, especially lamps or containers, and of course I will end it by placing the big amount of minifigs that are present in these two sets. The next episode will be the last one, in which I will show you the final result of this mock, and I will show you how to prepare custom instructions on Studio. See you in the next episode.